In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable GOG at startup in just a few quick steps. This is really helpful if you want GOG to launch automatically when your computer turns on, or if you want to stop it from opening every time you boot up. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand menu and click the cog icon to open the settings area. This is where you can control different options for the app. After that, make sure you are in the General tab from the left menu. The General section is where GOG keeps its startup and convenience settings, so this is the place you need to be. Now, if you want to enable GOG at startup, scroll down to the convenience section. Under that section, you'll see a box next to Auto Start. Click that box to turn it on. Once enabled, GOG will start automatically whenever you log into your computer. This can be useful if you use GOG often and want faster access to your games and library without having to open the app manually each time. If you want to disable GOG at startup instead, the process is just as simple. Stay in the same General tab and under the Convenience section, find the box next to Auto Start again. This time, unclick the box to turn it off. When it's disabled, GOG will no longer launch automatically when your computer starts, which can help keep startup programs to a minimum if you prefer a cleaner boot process. That's really all there is to it. Whether you want GOG to open on startup or stay closed until you need it, you can change the setting anytime by following these same steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.